Welcome to the open days of SHMS. We are thrilled to have visitors here in the school who get the chance to experience the school behind the scenes and how it is to actually be a student here. During the open days, you get to experience the school and the facilities live here with us to see the students in action, what they do, how they are, how they like it here. You also get to talk to them and to ask them about their experience here, so you get a first-hand feedback directly from our students. Our open day offers you the different experiences such as cocktail workshops, events workshops, luxury workshops. Depending on which day you choose to come on, you get to experience firsthand how it is to be in a class with our students or to be a student. SHMS is ranked the third best school in the world within the hospitality industry. We teach our students to become professionals in a traditional Swiss hospitality way. Please join our open days and come visit and see the school for yourself, and you can register on shms.com.